Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button, and for returning subscribers, if you're seeing this, I love you. Mwah. So today I'll be showing you, as usual, the way I make my portrait. This is one of my recent commission work, and as you can see, I have a time limit on it. That's why you're seeing it's a little bit fast and I need to get it quick done. So today, mainly on this video, my concentration is on the nose. It's on the nose. So the nose in portrait is always ignored. The eyes, the mouth, people always focus more on the eyes, making it more realistic, whereas the nose it doesn't have an actual shape. You know, we have different types of nose, and we have front side views, different kinds of views depending on your reference. So this, I just have to show you the way I make a nose. That's why I'm showing you directly through this video, so you can see the way you make it more realistic, so it shouldn't be flat. Actually, you start from the flat level, then you put on your layers. That's the either use a graphite pencil or charcoal dust, or each of them, anyone you feel comfortable with. For me, I mostly make use of the dust, and sometimes I overlay it with a pencil, the graphite. I make use of the Steadler pencil 4Bs sometimes. As you can see, I'm trying to make it more realistic by putting lines appropriately, shading the appropriate parts. With my reference, that's very important. You need to work with your reference. If you're working with a commission piece, then you have to look for reference. If you're drawing imaginary, then you don't need a reference. You can just draw anyhow and then sketch. But when you're making use of a reference, you make sure that you follow your reference through. As I draw this, I was following my reference through. That's why the shape of my nose is like that. I can call this a side view, but a little bit it's facing front. I can just call this a side and front view. A little bit front view, but the side view is showing more. It's more obvious, but we can see the front view. But I'd rather call this a side view nose. So guys, follow me through the way I blend with my blended stumb, that shade. You can see the way I hold my pencil. You hold your pencil. Actually, nobody can blend you in your creativity. Just have to be creative in whatever you're doing. Everything you're doing is just creative, nothing else. Make sure that what you're doing is creative. Nobody's going to hold you for it. Hold you for it. See, can you tell from the difference from the first layer and the second layer? You can tell it's very glaring. Very glaring. So guys, this is it. I work with the dust. Can you see the dust left with my blending stumb? I work with it mainly for the first layer. I work with it, then later I can use my pencil for the other top layers. If you can see well, the under eye. This person is wearing a makeup, and I'm going to be showing you the final artwork of this piece. When you see it, You'll be wild, because the first stage will actually be different from the final stage. Check it out, guys. Do not jump any process. Do not jump any process. That's one of the things that I'm always. You might not look at it at first, but do not say because it's not looking at it, you know, rough it and just stick to the process. Stick to your process. Stick to it. Then as you go on gradually, you will see that the resemblance is coming out. The resemblance is coming out. Let me show you the reference of this picture. See it by the side, the top corner of my video. Guys, you see this? This is what we're talking about. Make use of a charcoal pencil effectively. Make use of it effectively. Yeah. See the way I'm holding my pencil? You can actually hold your pencil anyhow. Somebody actually told me the way I hold my pencil. I said, yeah, okay, I've heard what this is how I do my stuff. You can just stick to your own process. Take out of what you learn, then you practice your own and know what works for you the best. That's one thing. Sometimes when you just try to copy, you just feel like you're not doing it right. But when you do it in your own way, when you do it the way that you feel like I can do it better this way, you just be going. Just be going. So the way you're seeing this drawing is like it's flat at some point. Sometimes some sides are flat. Don't look at it like that because it's going to be coming out like a 3D object. Guys, if you are returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys are my real MVPs. You are my real MVPs. And if you're new on this channel, come to this channel for the first time and you don't know about me, it's your baby girl Kenny G. And this is what I do. This is what I love doing the most. I love drawing at my leisure hours, and I love doing them. There are several things I do apart from drawing, but I find this drawing more interesting at my leisure hours. I find it more interesting. I find joy in it, even when nobody's paying me sometimes. Even if my clients lay me down, I'm not down, because I find joy in it. I'm happy because I'm able to bring some things to life. And this is part of what keeps me going when I'm passing through some things. Find myself holding my pencils, holding my blending thumb, holding my razors, holding my material, my equipment. I find this joy. I'm happy because this is something that I've lived to practice and improve myself on, and I see improvement each day. And this is a constant practice, guys. You need to practice. What you watch online, yes, you watch online, but try and practice. It's not just about watching. I'm posting videos as well, and so people haven't practiced for once yet. So guys, take on your pencil and just draw something. Just draw something. See the way I blend. I even return back to the place I've worked before, because I just feel like, okay, this thing is not yet done. Let me work on it more. I'm now using my Monozero eraser. This is my Monozero eraser to bring out highlights, to bring out more highlights. Yeah, I didn't actually work with my kneadable eraser. Sometimes, it's about creativity. You might decide to work with your kneadable eraser instead of this Monozero eraser that I am using. You can decide to work with your normal cleaning eraser rather than this that I'm using. So, depending on what you feel like you want to use on your available resources, your available equipment, materials. This is about just making use of what you have to get what you want. A lot of materials I use that people even know that I just make use of some simple materials to bring out this. Some people don't even know until you tell them that this is what I use, this is what I use. So guys, get to it. If it's just HB pencil that you have, get to it. Do not wait until you have a lot of materials, you have them compiled, and then they feel too much for you to use, and then you don't know what you want to use out of them all. So start with what you have. Just start from somewhere. Yeah guys, yeah, I'm applying blending some. I am blending it out, guys. Oh, I just love making videos. I love making videos. It's been a while you hear my voice under my video, but today I decided to make a video for you guys. So this is it. Okay, I can just say that I make use of my Monozero eraser in this video. I make use of it. I make use of it very well. I'm using my hand. Oh god, sometimes it's not possible to use your hand though. So don't use your hand. Instead, make use of a tissue or a cotton wool. But I wasn't having it at the moment that time. I was making use of what I had. Guys, this is it, blending out. Almost done with the nose that I'm concentrating on. Almost done with the nose. I can say I'm almost done with the nose. Yeah, you can see. Oh god, this is it. See the bridge of the nose, see the ball, the pointed nose. Oh god, wow, see the tip. So in whatever that you do, make sure that you practice constantly. So you need to practice well. So thank you guys for coming back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this. If you watch my video to this level, I really appreciate for you to reach this level. I appreciate you guys, and I can't thank you guys enough for always watching my videos. Please, if you find these videos very interesting, kindly click on the subscribe button and please like my video, subscribe to my channel. That's all I can say, because they say we cannot force people, but I know that a lot of people like my channel, and that's why I'm always giving a call to action for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you'll be updated. Kindly on the notification bell, so anytime I upload every Friday by 7 p.m. you'll be notified. I mean, you'll be the first person to be notified of my video every Friday by 7 p.m. Thank you guys. I love you guys. So next to my video, I'll be telling you a story. That story is very inspiring. Like I need to tell somebody about it. I'll be sharing to my people on this YouTube channel in this space. So watch out for my next video. Bye. See you guys in my next video.